Now, welcome to your beautiful home. When I first saw this house, I was immediately struck by the clean and modern facade. It also has a wide frontage of approximately 14 meters. And now let's head on in to explore. Upon entering the house, you have a nice pocket garden on your right, giving you nice greenery stretching to the side of the house. And on your left, you have a very spacious carport area for 2 vehicles. Even if you have 2 SUVs or even large vans, there's no problem with the space because this is a very comfortable 2 carport space. And you also have a high ceiling and a large entryway leading to your auxiliary space at the side of the house. This door is a service entrance leading to the living space. And on this side, this is a really nice elevated garden area. You can imagine having a table and a couple of chairs over here and potentially having a small tent and making this a great recreational space for the family. And if you look on this side, you see that it stretches towards a spacious patio that you can access from your living area. So this is an excellent recreational space for your family. Now let's head on in towards the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The house is all light, bright, and white once you come in. You even have these windows giving you a view of your carport area and another view of the entrance of the house. And here you have your first bedroom. This room serves as a family den. That's why you have this large window. But if you'd like, if you install blinds over here or curtains, this can already serve as an additional bedroom because it comes with its own full toilet and bath. You also have a large window here giving you a view of your patio at the side of the house. It already comes with a screen as well, so you have protection but at the same time ventilation. You also already have a provision for a split type air conditioning unit here. And now let's head on out towards your main living space. Your main living space has a high ceiling. You also have these windows stretching nearly to the ceiling, letting in so much more light. The orientation of the house is the front of the house is facing the east side, while the back is facing the west side. So it's quite cool in the mornings here in the living space, and it's quite cool in the afternoons in the front of the house. But even if sunlight is coming in here, the windows are slightly tinted, so that still gives you protection. In addition, you have these large sliding doors giving you access to your outdoor patio space. It's so spacious And there's so much room here for tables, chairs, a ping pong table, or even an additional picnic and barbecue area stretching all the way to the front of the house. And now let's head back in. From your main living space, it has an open plan design leading to your dining area. Your dining space can easily fit a table for about 6 people if it goes like this. And for this orientation, you can easily fit a table for 6 to 10 people, depending on the size of your family. You also have, once again, the sliding doors here, giving your dining area additional ventilation and space. And now from your dining area, let's now head on over to your main kitchen. So the kitchen is completely closed off from the living and dining, which is ideal, especially if you don't like having your cooking reach the living and dining space. Especially if you do a lot of heavy cooking here. So it depends, because some families, they prefer the open concept. This is excellent for the families who want your whole kitchen section though. Your main kitchen is a really spacious area. You can easily have a small table over here as an informal dining space. You can have even a small television set over here. And you have plenty of space in terms of where you can put your refrigerator. You can have a refrigerator over here, or you can place it on this side if it's a smaller one, or this is where you can have your range hood and cooktop. So that's why you already have a provision here. In addition, that's why you also have a plug here, provision, if you're going to have a range hood here. And you also have a large window, so it's very bright in the room. And from here, this is your electrical breakers. And on this side, you have a pantry room. From the pantry area, let's head on over to the side of the house where you have the maid's room, the driver's room, and the utility area. So on this side, you have a dirty kitchen space, you have an additional wash area, and on the other side, you already have your maid's room and your driver's room, and as well as a bathroom and a utility space. Okay, and now let's head on in. So a nice touch is having the large window for the door, so that it adds to the feeling of the house being more open, because you can easily see your guests coming in even if you're in the kitchen. From your main kitchen space, we have an access door here leading to your parking area. And you can turn this space under the stairs into additional storage. And now let's head on up towards the second level where you have 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home, where you have a really gorgeous ceiling design, making the house feel much more elegant as you come up. You also have a wide hallway over here, which gives you access to 2 bedrooms at the front of the house. So these are the east-facing bedrooms. Let's begin with your master bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious. It has a rectangular shape. It already comes with a screen. You have a nice view of your garden space from your master bedroom, and you can easily fit a large king, queen, or California-sized bed here and still have enough space left over for additional storage, a study area, or even a small couch. And here you have a provision for your split-type air conditioning unit. And here, you have a spacious walk-in closet area, and you have a sliding door leading to your master bathroom. You already have a dual vanity sink space. And you have this really clean barnyard door heading out to your walk-in closet space. And now let's take a look at your third, fourth, and fifth rooms. So before we do that, let's take a quick look here at a spacious balcony at the front of your house. So you see that it has a nice view of your parking space and your garden area. And now let's head on in. So here's your third bedroom. What's unique about this room is it has its own private balcony also, which is even larger than the first balcony we took a look at. The nice thing is, it's facing the front of the house and sunset is on the other side, so it's very cool here. You can just imagine having a table and a couple of chairs and making this a nice nook for you. Now let's head on in. The third bedroom also comes with its own solo bathroom. So you already have a tempered glass shower enclosure. And even a nice spot over here where you can put your toiletries. And now let's take a look at the west bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is a great vantage point for the second level. You can really see how spacious and well planned the space is. And here we have your fourth bedroom. Oh wow. So the afternoon sun is in full effect. You have high ceilings once again, large windows, and you also have a provision here for a split-type air conditioning unit. So the fourth and fifth bedrooms have a shared bathroom which can be accessed through the hallway. But they already have built-in cabinetry, which doesn't need handles because it just has a simple push mechanism, making it very minimalist in terms of the look. Now let's take a look at your fifth room. So before we head there, here's your shared bathroom for the last two rooms. And here's your fifth room. So the two rooms that we took a look at last have a very similar layout. Once again with the large windows and plenty of space to have a large bed and a study table area. And you once again have the very minimalist cabinetry with a rich brown wooden design with a push mechanism. So it looks so clean. And that ends our quick tour. For the property features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a carport for 2 vehicles, a front lawn, a spacious patio, an open living area, a dining area, a main kitchen, a service area, a maid's room, a driver's room, and 2 separate balconies. And all this with fast access to Aguirre Avenue, commercial establishments, and SM City BF. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message to Instagram and Facebook. And you can also click that like button and that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this brand new 5-bedroom refined house and lot for sale located in BF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.